the sun, where the ocean meets the blue sky. Footsteps in the sand, we're letting the world pass by. You and me, a map with no wrong direction. Heartbeats in sync, caught up in the connection. Stars will guide us where no roads will go. With every wave our love starts to glow. Journeys boundless, we're never through. Every step feels brand new with you. Waves of wonder under the moon, dancing through the night, hearts in tune. The world's our playground, no walls, no rules. Holding your hand makes everything cool. Palms swaying slow, with stories in their shade. Laughter echoes soft, like a serenade. We've got melodies carved in every breeze. Adventure in your eyes sets my mind at ease. Oh, let's float where dreams collide.